right, guys. So we are here inside Hell's Kitchen in Lake Tahoe at Harvey's. Okay, we made this reservation. I mean, as you can see, there was a line outside to come in. For walk-ins, the wait time is like ridiculously, like almost 2 hours. You know, so we made a reservation here about 2-3 months ago, and for yeah, I mean, you might want to come if you want to come here. You want to get the reservation, you know, in advance, so you get a good table. It's not as big as I thought it would be, but it's pretty packed in here. It's pretty packed, and can't wait to get the food. I see the red team and the blue team, the red team and the blue team, but yes. Guys, we have our appetizers. So we have the lobster risotto, and we have the pan-seared scallops, and the wagyu meatballs. Let's try the scallops first. I love scallops. Okay. Wow. Wow, it's so delicious. It's the sauce itself. I'm sorry, I might have to get some more sauce on here. Wow. The scallops perfectly cooked. Oh my goodness, really good. No wonder it's expensive. Wow. Wow, that's scallops. I have to share. There's 5 scallops, so one for everybody here. But anyways, now we have the lobster risotto. The risotto, every time I see it on TV, on this show, it's really hard to make. Let's see if it's perfect or not. Wow, this is the risotto. I'm gonna have it right here. Okay. Lobster there. The lobster risotto. Wow. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I've been watching Hell's Kitchen for like the longest time. This is the first time having it. Amazing risotto. Usually we always get our local Italian restaurants. No wonder this is so good. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I might cry just in here. Wow. It's so creamy, it's so rich. The risotto. You get the buttery taste on the lobster also. Very good, very good. Risotto was really good. We had to order another dish, another one of those risotto. My God, even the kids love it. Look at them right now. You like it? Oh my goodness! Wow. Madeline, do you like it? Awesome. All right. So So now we're gonna try the Wagyu meatballs. So Wagyu is the best quality kind of beef there is. So Wagyu meatball, it looks just like a regular meatballs, but we're gonna try it out right now. Right. See that? Get some cheese on here. Okay. And I wonder, what is this one? I'm not sure what this is, but I'm gonna try it out also. Okay, we're gonna try it out right now, okay?
What did you think of the appetizer so far?
May we get another order? Yes, really good. Thank you. Wow. Oh wow, it's really good. So the meatballs, and I'm not sure what it is, but I think it's potatoes. But I'll double check one more time. It goes really well with tomato sauce, with the marinara. Not too sour too. Not too much of the tomatoes. Really good. Kids gonna love this too. Wow, it looks, we have all of our main courses. The signature dish, the beef Wellington. I've been waiting for a long time. Wow, that looks good. We're gonna try this one out. The beef Wellington. Okay. There we go, guys. Oh, wow. When you say it melts in your mouth, it melts in your mouth. I don't even have to chew it that much. It just melts in your mouth. Oh my God. I know Tyler's gonna love this. Wow. Wow. It's no joke. This is no joke. Mr. Gordon Ramsay. Wow. Very good, very good. I love it. Wow, wifey's eating the rare part. She usually don't eat the rare part. Yummy. Yeah? You like it? Oh my gosh. She usually always have it medium, always medium well or well. Is it good? Yes. All right. The beef Wellington is really, really good. Oh man, it just melts in your mouth. Now, we have our crispy skin salmon. Wow, it looks amazing. Okay. crispy skin salmon. Oh wow. I don't know if you could hear it or not. The skin is really crispy. But the salmon itself melts in your mouth, literally, again. Oh my God. I wish he could open one in San Francisco or something like that, in the Bay Area. With the quinoa, that's really good. I like it. The wife's gonna love this because she loves fish. Really good. Beef wellington was good. The salmon was good. Now we got the tomahawk. The tomahawk. Are you ready? Oh, they cut it up for us already. Medium well. Medium well. All right. Wow. I'm gonna get some size of shiitake mushrooms. They got cherries in here also. Sorry, I'm gonna use this. This is grilled dry cherries, tomato cherries. Okay, a little bit of sauce on here. Here we go. Look at the beef on there. Look at the beef on there. Server, he actually recommended us to have it medium rare. That's what the chef recommends. But my wife, she doesn't like red that much, so that's why we ordered medium well. But as medium well, it still feels like it's medium or medium rare. Unbelievable. It just tastes amazing. My God. So, that one dish at Gordon Ramsay Hell's Kitchen in Lake Tahoe, California. Not Lake Tahoe, I'm sorry, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. We're on the Nevada side. If you were to come here, that one dish you definitely need to get is the tomahawk steak. Oh my God. Everything else was great. The beef wellington, amazing, melts in your mouth. The salmon was great. The risotto, amazing also. Just like it says, just like you see on TV. The scallops, amazing. Oh my God. I wish I could come here every day. That's the thing. But anyways, from everyone here at That One Dish, we want to say thank you for joining us on this special episode here at Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. I want to say thank you, Gordon Ramsay, for having amazing chefs doing all this consistent, delicious food here at Hell's Kitchen. Thank you guys. See you guys next time. A good steak. As you can see, none of the dishes we didn't have to use any salt or pepper at all. Well seasoned, well marinated, amazing, amazing. Wow, that's all I can say. I'm not finished yet.